Welcome back everybody to a brand new cryptocurrency video, and today we're going to be taking a look at crypto.com, also known as CRO. We're going to be taking a look at the price, predicting where we think it's going to go, and just taking a look at the overall coin in general and the price action in the last few days. But let's just get right into it, guys. First thing I want to take a look at is the Fibonacci retracement tool when taking a look at CRO. So if we draw it from the bottom to the top, we can see that CRO has actually had some pretty good bounces off the Fibonacci retracement levels in the past few days. So as we can see, we did find support at this 0.5 level right here a few days ago. Tried to get a bounce, failed, tried to get another one, failed, and then eventually broke to the downside. And then we retested that golden pocket zone. Now, off that golden pocket zone, we did get a nice bounce right here, as you guys can see. However, we did fail the breakout and drop down below it, which eventually took us to our 0.786 Fibonacci level. But this is where we actually did get a nice bounce over the past few hours. So if we take a look, we'll go into the 1 hourly candles here to get a little better view of what we're looking at. But zooming in, you guys can see that we perfectly hit this 0.786 Fibonacci level and got a nice bounce to the upside with a decent bit of volume coming in, which is a pretty good sign for crypto.com. And this shows that we do have some really good support at this 37-cent level. So what I'm keeping my eye on now is if we can come and retest this golden pocket zone and get back into that golden pocket. If we can get a nice bounce off here, get back into this golden pocket, this is where we need to be. And then we need to see that we can get out of it and break to the upside. And if we do break to the upside out of the golden pocket, that is when we could be seeing a trend shift and maybe seeing some nice price action to the upside. But zooming out, guys, we can see that we do have some really nice support at this 0.786 fib level. As you guys can see back here, we have some pretty nice support. And we just hit good support right here. So this does show at this 37-cent level, we do have really good support. So this would be a good opportunity to place a trade every time we do come down to this level. That is a good opportunity to, place a long position because we do seem like we do get nice bounces when we do hit this level. Now, for instance, if we do break to the downside off this level and drop below this 37-cent price range, then I would be expecting us to come down and retest the previous support down here at around 33 cents. But like I said, I do not think this is going to happen. I do think we are going to hold the support level at this 37-cent price range as long as the markets are staying healthy and do not completely collapse, because obviously if Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall markets completely collapse, you've got to expect that crypto.com is going to follow and will probably come back down and retest this 33-cent range. But it is a good sign that we are getting a good bounce off this Fibonacci retracement levels. And this is what I like to see from crypto.com, at least in the immediate short term. Really quick, guys, before I continue, make sure you guys are following me over on Twitter at MarkCryptoNFT. This is where I'll be posting more cryptocurrency content, news related, and technical analysis. So make sure you guys are following me over there at MarkCryptoNFT. The link will be in the description. Now, taking a look at our Lux Algo buying and selling indicators, we can see that we have been on a strong sell indicator for the past week or so. However, when we zoom in a little bit and look at the 1 hourly candles, we can actually see that we are on a buy indicator. So let me zoom in here. We can see that we did get a nice little buy indicator off this bounce we got off that fib level. So right here, we got this nice bounce and we did get a buy indicator coming in. So this does tell me that we can see a retest of that golden pocket zone right up in this area. So I am kind of bullish on crypto.com in the immediate short term if we can actually see us get back into this 41-cent price range. Because if we look at our price range tool, we can actually see that this bounce was about 5%, which is kind of significant. So if you traded that, congratulations to you, you would have made some pretty good money. But I do think crypto.com can see some more gains if we get back up into that golden pocket ratio. So one last thing I wanted to take a look at is just this descending wedge that crypto.com has been forming on the 4 hourly candles over the last few weeks. So if we take a look at this, we can actually see that this is a very narrow descending wedge that we have been bouncing between for the past couple weeks. So we see here, tested support, hit resistance, tested support, hit resistance, and then we just came back down in the past day and tested support once again and got a nice bounce. The way descending wedges work is they build pressure, build pressure, build pressure, explode to the direction of the trend to the base of the wedge. So if we do end up breaking out of this wedge, come down, retest it, and then get volume supported bounce, then that's when I would be expecting us to see some really nice price action for crypto.com. And it would just be a very bullish sign in general. This could be the turnaround of the trend, that has been downwards lately, but this could turn it around if we do break out of this wedge. So keep an eye on this support and resistance in this descending wedge and really be paying attention if we can break out right around that 39-cent area. That's where we need to explode through, and we need to get up into this 40-cent area. If we can get above 40 cents, that would be looking bullish for crypto.com. But other than that, guys, just make sure you guys are keeping an eye on this support level down here at 37 cents. This is where we need crypto.com to hold over the next few days / weeks. If we hold this level, that is going to be a good sign that we could see some good price action to the upside. So really keep an eye on this level. Try to play some trades maybe off this level because we know it's a good supported area. But just make sure you're paying attention to that closely over the next few days. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe for more cryptocurrency content. And with that, guys, I will see you all in the next video.